All right. Good morning. It is day 18 of 100. Oh my God, I'm excited. Day 18. Wow. We're getting into the close to, what do they say? 21 days creates a habit. Doing something for 21 days. So getting close to that. And then after that, you should be good, I think. But I'm excited. Today is February 17th, 2021. I'm on my day 18. I think I have another song for you guys today, but yeah, I do. But yeah, I just want to give out some shout outs. Actually, first to Jenny Seelig. She's one of the moderators for the 100 days, and I was watching her do scales yesterday, and it was pretty awesome because I love doing scales. I just love doing like practicing my fingers just to get them good. That's what I like to do. And she was doing like the pentatonics or the A minor pentatonics, they're fun. Those ones are fun. It just has that cool sound. So good job, Jenny. And actually, Sharona hopefully I say it right, Waverin, I think. But oh my God, she did. I've been wanting to see that because I'm on this kind of journey on how to use your instruments for sound healing. And mantras are part of it, and I wanted to see somebody play a mantra on a ukulele, and I haven't seen it yet. And Sharona did it, and she did an awesome job. It made me feel really good. She was just in it. It was so awesome. I love music. Music's so great. You can do a lot of cool different things, and it gets you in the mood, and it just makes you feel good, right? So does coffee. But anyways, today's song is We're taking it to Tennessee, which is probably frozen right now, and they definitely need some whiskey. So this is Tennessee Whiskey by Chris Stapleton. I think about it because this is a country song, and I don't play too many country songs, but I like this one for some reason. I think I like the beat, or I listened to it and I was like, wow, this is a cool song. Or I heard somebody doing it. And actually, this reminds me of the time we went to Amsterdam because I was learning this song when I was in Amsterdam. And it is kind of slow. And I was trying to play it like Chris Stapleton, but I could not do it. I don't know why. And then once I added my own rhythm, then I could do it, which is really cool. This song helped me with that because, like, there's certain songs that I don't know that I just couldn't do, but then if you change it up, then you can do it. It's like weird. So my thing is like I try to do songs like differently just to see what I vibe with. So I came up with a kind of a new version, I guess, or my version of Tennessee Whiskey. It's a little bit faster. It's not too slow. Has a good rhythm, I think. So I just had some coffee, and I think I'm ready to go. So this is Tennessee Whiskey, Chris Stapleton. Used to spend my nights in a bar room. Liquor was the only love I know. But you rescued from reaching for the bottom and brought me back from being too far gone. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. And honey, I get stoned on your love all the time. I look for love in all the same old places. Found the bottom of the bottle always dry. But when you poured out your heart, I didn't waste it. 'Cause there's nothing like your love to get me high. Such a great song. Hopefully you guys. I always put my ukulele away, but hopefully you guys enjoyed that. That was pretty awesome. Tennessee Whiskey by Chris Stapleton. Today is February 17th, 2021. Bringing it to the country. And this is my day 18. Oh wait, is it? Yeah, day 18. Woohoo! Day 18. I'm excited. And like always, I will see you tomorrow, but every day, keep on strumming ukulele. See you tomorrow.